while enjoying the sweet and melodious rendition of the JRMSUA Campus Band. Mura Jud o mga pro ang ilang kamaayo, so sweet to hear. And in the afternoon, the focus shifted to enhancing mental wellness among academic leaders in the higher education context. The experts shared insights to help participants develop strategies for maintaining well-being in the demanding academic environment. And thank you to Mr. Rafi Jones Sanchez for that insightful lecture. And of course, congratulations to all the groups for the active participation na artista o na director o pinakalit ang all. The day concluded with an interactive forum where the university officials engaged in a dialogue with the participants with our premier moderator, Ma'am Janet Sarsuelo. And this